Morning, everybody. We're back over here fixing to get going again at this job. We've done a little bit of work up here on the decking, trying to straighten it up where we can put metal on it eventually. And we're going to come over here and try to get this area tidied up and ready for metal over in here. So that's where we're at. We're going to work on that. And got all these 2x8s up so we could have something to put these 1x4s and 1x6s on to have a nailer for our metal roof that is going up here. So that's where we're at right now. On there with a hammer and it'll hold that joint. Yeah, that's what we need. We got to get this very first one. Are we going to use a new 2x10 or do you want to use this one? We got to get our mark here so we can cut this, and we got to undo that screw, and then we'll have to take this one down on the ground and lay it out and cut 6 of them just exactly the same, just like this one right here. Yeah. Okay guys, we got this section in pretty good shape right here. Alright, see there kind of where we're headed. We're not finished with this side yet either, but get an idea of where things are headed. I think these are a little smaller. Need me to get up and hold that? I can't hold it down and screw it. Okay, hang on. Hang on just a second. Yeah, I can jam it in there. Hang on just a second. Let me do this. I'll put a screw. Hang on just a second. I'll get there. I got it. Right here. I'll just do that. That'll hold it down. Are we leaving it in there? Just tap, just put it in there for now. We'll see how it looks. We just want temporary. Stop. We just want it in there temporary. I'm stopping right there. Okay. Pull your top screw out. Well, if I do, it'll raise up. Oh, I thought
The
you had
board
one in the
pop-up.
side.
No, I didn't put one in. You said you might want to take it out.
All right, let me look at it from the other end.
About 14 and a half now. As long as we can get enough overhang here, that's about 12 inches there. That's about 14.
14. That metal will hang over 14 inches without sagging.
Okay.
Good morning, everybody. We're back over here this morning. We're ready to get rolling again. Trying to put some more 1x4s up down through here and get her ready for that metal that we've been longing for. Give you another bird's eye view here. What we're doing. Give you a look back this way. We haven't had that shot lately. So this is where we're at. Coming along, getting it ready. Here we go, guys. We're pretty close here now. Getting that metal and getting it up here. Hopefully it'll look a lot like this over here when we get done. Hey guys, we're back over here getting after it on this metal roofing job here. We're July 16th, 2024 here. We're in the middle of that heat bubble, so we can only go for about 3 hours early in the mornings here before it gets way too hot to work. So that's where we're at for right now.